Hi everyone, this is Manish from indushindi.com, and today we are going to talk about the past, some forms of past. Before we have talked about the present to be verb, right? And here we are going to talk about the past form of to be verb. And to be is hona, and the present form of to be is हूँ, है, हो, and हैं. And here we are going to learn the past form of to be verb. And keep in mind the past form of to be is changes according to number and gender, which is tha for masculine singular, the for masculine plural, thi for feminine singular, and thi for feminine plural. So tha, the, thi, and thi. Let's see some example sentences. So मैं घर पर हूँ. This is a present tense, right? I am at home. And the past form is मैं घर पर था. I was at home. So here the verb tha is in masculine singular form. It means the subject मैं is masculine and singular. The second example is आप खुश हैं. This is present form, and in past it would be आप खुश थे. It means here आप is a second person plural आप, and the verb is थे, second the plural form, masculine plural. And the third example is वह student है. वह student है. She is a student. And in the past form it would be वह student थी. So here वह is a feminine singular, that's why थी we use feminine singular to be verb. And the next example is वे लड़कियां हैं. They are girls. And in past it would be वे लड़कियां थीं. So here लड़कियां or वे is feminine and plural, that's why we use feminine plural form of to be verb थी. We are taking some more examples. For example, मैं पार्क में था. I was in the park. So here मैं is a masculine singular, that's why the verb to be verb is था, masculine singular form. क्या आप घर पर थे? So here आप is a masculine and plural, that's why the verb is also in masculine and plural थे. The next and last example is वह अपनी माँ के पास थी. Here the verb is feminine and singular. It means the subject वह is feminine and singular. So that's all about to be verb in past, some form of past form. I hope it's clear, and if you have any confusion, any question, and any suggestion, you can write to us. You can write down in the comment box, and we will meet with some new topic in next video. Until then, goodbye.